So today I'm going to show you how to activate your SoFi debit card onto your SoFi app. Now I'm actually going to go off screen here for a second because you don't really need to see my face while we go through this process. So now here we are in real time on our iOS device, keeping in mind Android might look a little different. There are a couple different ways to get to the point of activating your debit card. First off, we can click on where it says banking here, or you can go to the bottom of your tabs where it says banking. Either option will take you to the same place, which is going to be this setting right over here for you. Now from here, again, there are a couple different ways to go about this, but because this is a debit card attached to our checking account, we're going to actually go ahead and hover where it says checking and click on this. Now from this screen right over here, what you're going to actually see is this section here that says cards, and you can see where it says debit card, and we're going to go ahead and tap on this. Now from here, this is where we're going to see our ability to activate, and you can see where it says activate now. So we're going to go ahead and click on this. And from here, it's going to ask for the last 4 digits of your social security number, or ITIN. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in. And then from here, it's going to ask for the expiration date on your new debit card. We're going to go ahead and plug that in. And here it's going to ask for the 3-digit code, which is the CVC number. And we're going to put that in. And from right over here, you can see our card has now been activated and we can utilize our SoFi debit card. So now that you have your SoFi debit card active, I actually want to show you how to add your SoFi debit card onto your Apple Wallet. So check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.